Dry out for the most part, and then dry and partly cloudy on Sunday. I'm Aaron Granillo, KIRO News Radio.
Your best source for local news. You're listening to KIRO News Radio, Northwest News.
The civil authorities have issued a child abduction emergency for all of Washington beginning at 5:31 p.m. and ending at 6:31 p.m. The Washington State Patrol on behalf of the Seattle Police Department has issued an Amber Alert for a 2-year-old female victim named Kamar Vega. Victim is 3 feet 0 inches tall, weighs 50 to 70 pounds, has black hair, black eyes, last seen in Mickey Mouse pajamas and white shoes. They were last seen on March 28, 2025, 14:30. They are in the company of Joanna Marks, a 47-year-old female, who is 5 feet 2 inches, weighing 115 pounds with black hair, brown eyes, wearing black jacket, gray hoodie, and black pants. They may be traveling in a gray 2020 Dodge Challenger. WA license pound PVM 6985. If you have information, please call 911.
There you go with the Amber Alert. All right, here we go with the John